These are all filled with answers to one question. They're all correct, but one answer is never the answer, and my answers would be different than your answers, but they're all correct. The yellow tabs index my answers so I can share them with you as zines. Dreams. That's one type of answer. I made this blanket a few years ago with sentences from dreams that contained emotions. Dreams are insightful answers to this question. It's a question about human experience. We're all connected through that experience. So yeah, what's the question? That I buy these stupid expensive notebooks to store the answers? I realized the question as I was rereading the essay by Joan Didion called On Keeping a Notebook. We are talking about something private, about bits of the mind's string too short to use, an indiscriminate and erratic assemblage with meaning only for its maker. The question that I keep answering is, what was it like to be me?